Greetings, Rhode Island members of the deaf and hard of hearing community. Today's message is focused on the youth between the ages of 5 and 11, as well as their parents and guardianships. I am thrilled to announce that the vaccine for COVID-19 is finally available for students between the ages of 5 and 11 in the state of Rhode Island. It was approved a few weeks ago. The CDC has approved these vaccines for children between 5 and 11 and have partnered with Pfizer. The Rhode Island Department of Health has also endorsed that and has made these vaccines available. We at the Rhode Island Commission for the Deaf and Hard of Hearing have partnered with the Rhode Island Department of Health in collaboration to offer these vaccines to create a clinic for the students between the ages of 5 and 11 who are deaf and hard of hearing, regardless of what school they go to, whether it's a public school or a private school. This pertains to all children between the ages of 5 and 11 who are deaf and hard of hearing that can go to get this vaccine at a location where there will be interpreters and closed caption available. Now, when will these vaccines be available? November the 19th, 2021. At the time period between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. Where? It'll be, the clinic will be at the Rhode Island School for the Deaf. And that first date will be for the first dose only. The second date that is available will be Saturday, December the 11th of 2021, between the hours of 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. in the morning. That location will also be at the Rhode Island School for the Deaf. Both clinic dates will be offering interpreters and closed captioning. Now, you may be asking why the reason they're having two dates. Remember, it is required to have two vaccines. So the first date will be for the first dose, which is Friday, November the 19th. The second date, 3 weeks later, will still be welcome to come on December the 11th for the first vaccine or the second vaccine. When you come on the second date for your first vaccine on December 11th, we will reschedule you for your second vaccine at a local facility nearby where you live. This is exciting news for the students who are 5 to 11 years of age to provide this protection and to protect others around them as well. If you have any concerns or questions about the vaccine, you're unsure of whether you should get this or whether it's applicable for your child, I recommend that you speak to your family physician, your pediatrician, because the family physician and the pediatrician knows best your child's health. Or you can call the Rhode Island School for the Deaf school nurse, whose name is Penny Bailey. She will be willing to take your call and discuss further any questions you may have. And she can also schedule your appointment as well. Her phone number is as follows. And one more thing. The vaccines for the students who are 5 and 11 does require a consent, a parental consent or guardianship consent. So where do you sign for this consent form? At the same place where you will make your appointment online. There's a link and there's a tab that'll say consent form. When the Department of Health sees that that consent form has been signed, you will be able to then be authorized to get your shot. If that consent form is not filled out, your child will not be able to get that shot. But this is exciting news for the students who are between the ages of 5 and 11 in the state of Rhode Island. We hope to see you then.